How to use Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. So this will be a basic beginner's guide on Snapchat on how you can create account, log in, log out, change password, use Snapchat, etc. So in this video I'll cover all the things you can do on Snapchat and how you can use the Snapchat app to the fullest. So to do that, first of all, go to either your App Store or your Play Store and simply search for Snapchat. Now download the Snapchat app, and now once the app has been downloaded, simply open it. Now if you already had an account on Snapchat, it will simply show you your account, but if you don't, it will basically show you two different options on the bottom side of the screen. One is login and one is sign up. So if you don't have an account, simply tap on the option sign up, and then it will ask you to turn on notifications. If you want, you can tap on the option OK, but if you don't, tap on the option don't allow. And now you'll have to enter your first name over here, and if you want, you can enter your last name, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process and then tap on the option continue. Now enter your date of birth over here and then tap on the option continue. Now it will provide you a username for your Snapchat account. Now if you like the default generated username, you can simply keep it and tap on the option continue, but if you want to change it to a custom nickname, you can simply do so by tapping the option change, and now you can simply type in the actual username you'd like to be on your Snapchat account. Now if the username is already taken, it will simply show ... is already taken, and now you can simply try to create a unique one and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to set a new password for your Snapchat account, so simply do so and then tap on the option continue. Now it will basically provide you two different options over here. Now you can either use your email address to create an account, or you can also use your phone number. So in my case, I'll simply choose my phone number and then tap on the option finish. Now if you want to enter your phone number, you can enter it over here, but if you don't, tap on the option skip, and same for the permissions. So if you want Snapchat to access your contacts, tap on the option allow, but if you don't, tap on the option don't allow, and do this for other permissions as well. Now where it says add friends, it will simply show you friends using your contact or using your mutuals over here. So you can simply tap on the option add 5 friends, and then if you want, you can create your Bitmoji right over here, but if you don't, tap on the option skip, and same for the permissions again. Now as soon as you open Snapchat, the first thing that's gonna open is your camera. So using this camera page right over here, you can simply click snaps to send to your friends. So on the bottom side of the screen, you can see 5 different options. The left one is the map, where you can see the location of your friends, where your friends are, and also where you are. After that, the second option is chat, where you can see your friends and the snaps they have sent and the snaps you have sent them. The third option is the camera option, which is the default tab. The fourth one is stories and friends. You can simply see the stories of your friends over here, and you can also see other stories over here. And finally, the fourth option is spotlight. It is somewhat a reel type content right over here, where you can simply see short form content over here. So those are basically the 5 tabs of Snapchat. So now let's discuss on how you can send a snap to someone. So first of all, open the Snapchat app, and then once you're on the camera page, you can simply choose various filters right over here. Now once you've done that, if you find a filter you like, you can simply click a photo or a snap, and then you have all of these options right over here. So the first one is text. You can simply write a text, and you can also customize the text in these fonts right over here. We'll simply choose the default one. The second one is a brush, so you can simply draw on your page. The third one is the sticker space, where you can see a lot of different stickers, such as the time, the temperature. You can also add other various stickers, and if you want, you can also search for stickers. Let's say I'll simply choose rain, and then it'll show you stickers, GIFs, etc. right over here. You can simply choose any one of them. You can readjust them. The third one is the make a sticker one. You can simply leave this for now. The fourth one is the lenses, where you can find effects or filters. After that, we have this icon right over here. I don't know the name. So apparently it's called the enhance filter, which will simply enhance your snap, or it will also retouch your snap. So Another one is the magic eraser tool, where you can simply use stuff and it will try its best to remove the object. So as you can see, it simply removed the light. After that, we have this, where you can simply type in a URL and add a link to your snap. After that, you have the crop option, where you can simply zoom in, zoom out and crop your snap accordingly. And finally, the last one is the timer. Now you can either set your snap to be, let's say, a 1 second snap, a 6 second snap, or if you want no timer on your snap, you can simply choose no limit. It will be like an infinity icon. You can simply choose that. And finally, I forgot to talk about the music option. Once you tap on the music option, you can simply search for songs over here and then play the song on your snap. So now, if you want to save this snap to your gallery, you can simply do so by tapping the option save. Now you'll have to choose whether you'd like to save this snap to only your memories or both your memories and your camera roll. So I'll simply choose memories and camera roll and tap on the option save. So now in order to send this snap, simply tap on the option choose friends, and then you can simply choose the friends whom you want to send the snap to. Now once you've done that, tap on the option send, which is right over here, and you'll have successfully sent a snap on your Snapchat account. Now if your friend sends you a snap, it will simply show up like this over here saying new snap or a new chat. So in order to open the snap, simply tap on it and then you can simply view their snap. And similarly for the chat, you can simply tap on it and then you can open the chat. So that is basically how you send snap, receive snap, and send and receive texts or chats on your Snapchat account. Now if you want to add friends on your Snapchat account, simply tap on this person like icon and a plus icon on the top right side of your screen. After that, it will simply show you your quick add right over here. It will show you friends from your contact book or Snapchatters whom you might know. You can simply add them from here, and if you know their exact username, you can simply type it in over here and you can simply add them over here. So that is the two ways on how you can add friends on your Snapchat account. Now let's go to your profile icon. So to do that, tap on this icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to your profile icon. Now let's start off by creating an avatar. So I'll tap on the option create my avatar, and you can simply choose these options right over here, or if you want, you can simply show your face and it'll automatically find you an avatar. So for now, I'll simply skip this process as it is boring. And now I can simply customize my own avatar or my character. So you can choose the hair color, the hairstyle, the color, the facial hair, eyes, and all of these things right over here. You can also choose the dress. And once you're okay with your selection, you can simply tap on the option save. And now you'll have successfully created a Bitmoji or an avatar on your Snapchat. Now you can simply add a pose and a background. So you can first of all choose the background and also choose a pose. Now tap on the option save. After that, let's simply change our selfie. So I'll simply choose any one of these and then tap on the option done. Now once you've done that, once you cross it, you'll simply see your profile right over here. So this is your background, your pose, your avatar right over here. Now this is your name, your username, your date of birth. This is your Snap QR or your Snap code. This is your Snap score, and this is your astrological profile. Now let's simply scroll down, and then you can see various things such as your friends, your spotlight, your Snap map, your favorites, your public profile, your Snap map, and finally your cameos. For now, we'll simply leave all of these processes and simply go to our public profile and then tap on the option OK. First of all, choose a photo for your Snapchat public profile. Now you can either click a photo or you can simply add it from your gallery. For now, I'll simply skip that. And similarly with the cover photo as well, you can simply add a photo which you have on your gallery, or you can simply leave it as it is. So for now, I'll simply leave it public profile as it is. And now let's talk about the settings of Snapchat. Now if you want to change your name, you can do so by tapping the option name. If you want to change your username, you can do so. Similarly, your date of birth, your mobile number, your email address. Now if you want to purchase the subscription of Snapchat Plus, you can do so by tapping the options Snapchat Plus and subscribe, but for now we'll simply leave it as it is. After that, if you want to change your Bitmoji cameos, you can do so by tapping the option over here. Now let's talk about changing your password. So in order to change the password of your Snapchat account, simply tap on the option password. After that, you'll have to first of all enter your current password right over here and then tap on the option continue. Now you can create a new password by simply entering a new password and confirming it by typing it again in the box below, and just like that you'll have successfully changed the password of your Snapchat account. Now similarly, you can enable two-factor authentication, you can change the notification settings, the memory settings, all of these stuffs right over here. You can also change the app appearance, you can make it light mode, you can make it dark mode, or you can simply set a custom. For now I'll simply leave it at light mode. After that, there are additional services such as your friends emoji, emoji skin tone, permission, add preference, all of these stuff. You can simply leave all of them over here. After that, under privacy controls, if you want to clear your data, you can simply do so by tapping the option clear data. After that, on your location services, you can change who sees your location. You can see the list of the blocked users over here, and if you want to unblock someone, you can simply tap on the option blocked users and then unblock them from here. After that, you can change whether people see you in quick add or not, your activity indicator, meaning you can change your activity status, and finally the comment settings and your data settings, etc. Now in order to log out of your Snapchat account, you can simply do so by tapping the option log out, which is right over here, and then it'll ask you to verify your phone number, but for now let's simply skip this process and then tap on the option log out. So that is basically how you log out of your Snapchat account. And now in order to log back into your account, if you already have an account right over here, you can simply tap on the option login, but if you don't, tap on the option use other account, enter the username, email or phone number. After that, enter the password and then tap on the option login, and you'll have successfully logged into your Snapchat account. And now finally, I'll show you how you can delete your Snapchat account. So to do that, simply go to your settings and then tap on the option delete account. After that, you will be redirected to a web page where you'll have to basically enter your username or your email address right over here and then tap on the option. Now once you're on this page, simply enter the password of your Snapchat account and then tap on the option next. And now again you'll have to enter your password for some reason. Now tap on the option continue. And finally, as you can see, you have successfully deleted your Snapchat account. So that is basically how you use your Snapchat. I basically covered almost all of the settings and the basic things you can do on your Snapchat. So hope this video helped you guys out. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.